Hello.
Tasnimis, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How
Okay,
about
what are you
you?
doing today here?
Okay, I'm having ice cream. It's
Oh,
yogurt
that's
ice cream.
great. You take ice cream in a new
Yeah.
place, beautiful place.
Yes, this
Okay,
is a
there's
nice
a
place.
very beautiful architectural beauty. I can say is sculpture. Okay,
Sculpture.
it's very beautiful. Okay,
Yes.
what is the name of the place?
Okay, the place name is Orono Park Resort. It is in Bhaluka, Bamising.
Mymensingh. Okay,
Yeah.
but music is everywhere, no?
Yes, yes.
Are you enjoying the music at this moment?
Of course, because we are on the picnic.
Okay, can you describe the beautiful place at this moment?
Of course. I think the place is so quiet and also is full of nature. There are a lot of flowers, trees, and there are different types of trees with leaves. We can say some green, yellow, red, and lots of flowers also. And beside me, we can see there are a lot of fishes, and these are the colorful fishes.
Swimming?
And we are having, we are feeding them ice
Oh,
cream.
that's great.
Yeah.
You are feeding them?
Yes, ice cream because
Okay.
I'm eating ice cream.